If you do a 25,000 rupee SIP and increase it at 10% every year, at the end of the 30th year, you will have a whooping 21.28 crore rupees. Watch this video till the end to receive my step up calculator where you can calculate this for yourself. Hello everybody, welcome to our 20-day series on Know Everything About Mutual Funds part 10. Using the calculator is extremely simple. You only have to input 2 data points. Here you mention the SIP, let's say that's 25,000, and over here you mention how much do you want to increase it or step up by each year, let's say 10%. Now it'll automatically calculate at 12% that at the end of the 10th year you would have accumulated roughly 84 lakhs. At the end of the 20th year you would have accumulated 4.72 crore, and at the end of the 30th year you would have accumulated 21.28 crore. To receive this tool, comment step up in the comment and you will receive this in your DM. In the next video, I'm going to help you understand about mutual fund taxation. Thank you so much.